Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got part 41 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. In issue 41 we get some parts to go at the bottom of our thoracic cage, and we get a couple of pieces of our spine. We also get the replacement finger pins that we've been waiting for. So if you haven't done them yet, then yeah, you get them with this issue. So yeah, if you want me to do a video for these and show you how to replace them, just comment below and let me know, and I'll do a video for them if you want. So let's take a look inside the magazine and see what we got. So these are the parts we get. It says we've got two black rubbers, two pieces of the actual spine. So all we're going to be doing is we're going to be placing these parts together till we've got this, and this is going to be basically the top of our spine at the bottom of the thoracic cage. And then we're going to put 4 bolts in until we've got that. We don't actually use these two parts that we get this week. Sci-fi cinema legends is Time After Time, and the real world science is NASA's mission to Europa. And what's coming up in next week's issue looks like we're continuing adding more bits of vertebra, and we're starting to assemble our spine by the looks of it. So let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so with the parts out of the packaging, we get the first pieces of our spine, which we're not going to use in this issue, but they are plastic if you wanted to know. So I'll put these over here, and this is what we're going to be working with today. You get 2 black rubbers, one is thicker than the other. And for step 1, we're going to take the smaller one and we're going to drop that in the back of there, just like that. That's going to sit in there. Next, we're going to take this piece, which is like a cog turny piece. That's going to go face down, just like that. And lastly, we're going to bring this piece, and that's going to go over the top of them all. Okay, so next what we need to bring in is these little screws and the little spring washers, and you need to put 4 spring washers over 4 little screws. And the part that we've just made, that can slot into there and sit on there. We're going to be securing this in with these 4 screws. So let's grab one of these now, and we can start locking this into place. So we'll do this one first. That's the first one in. And the second one. 2 more to go. One in the top, and lastly put our last screw in just at the bottom here. So now the part that we've just fitted is down here, just like that, and that's going to stay there. Make sure you've got this 2 little tabs facing back to front, so to his front and to his back and not to his sides, otherwise we're going to have a difficult time fitting these because they are directional. So that's going to sit onto there. So make sure you do that. So hopefully you like this video. If you do want me to do the replacement finger parts, just let me know in the comments below and I'll bash a video out for that as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.